Okay then, so dividing fractions, if ever we forgot what the rules are for the dividing fractions, how would we remind ourselves? Just like to mention a couple of words about that. So suppose we wanted to divide 2/3 by 1/4, say. Now what does that equal? Well, to remind what the rules are, if we have something simple then, if we had 2 divided by a half, say, how many halves go into 2? We know the answer is 4. So you can see what happens, can't you? It's as though this little chappy down here swings up and becomes multiplied with that. And we get 4/1, which is 4, as we said. So that's what we do. If you want another example, let's just do 2/3, for example, here. We know a third goes into 2 6 times, don't we? So that's the answer. And in practice, it's as though that 3 swings up to be with the top. So the number in this position swings up to the top to be with the number on top. Now what happens to this? Well, if we have the third then, if we have a half over 2, we know the answer there is 1/4. So effectively then, this number comes and joins the number there. And we get 2 times 2 is 1/4. So these are little memory reminders to help us to remember how we perform division with fractions. So can you see what happened there? The 2 came down to be with that 2 to join it. 2 times 2 was 4. So in a sense, this 3 comes down to be with the 1 to join it. 3 times 1 is 3. So we end up then with 2 times 4 is 8. Well, I'll write it as 2 times 4 over, and the 3 comes down to be with the 1. And that's it. We get 8/3. So that's how we do it. Here's the actual method, process, as far as the process is concerned. And these are little reminders to remind us, oh yeah, that's what happens. If the fraction's underneath, the chappy, so to speak, that's right under the bottom swings up to be with the top. And this example illustrates here that the chap that's here, the fraction on top, the part underneath, the denominator here, swings down to be with the number that's underneath, just in this position here. Okay then, so there's the process, and that's what we'll use in the next 10 questions.